What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Julian. I hope you're having a juiced up day. So today's video is going to be a recipe video, and we also have a special guest appearance from Almond Cow. This video is not sponsored. So I've been looking for a machine that's going to help make my nut milk recipe making a little bit easier and save me some time. So some of y'all may know I have a juice company and I also make nut-based milks. So right now, what I'm currently doing, I'm using the Vitamix to blend all the ingredients, and then I'm using the nut milk bag to strain everything. So I'm doing it by hand. It takes a little bit of time, but it's still pretty efficient, but I wanted to make things more efficient. So I did some research online and I found this machine, the Almond Cow. So we're gonna unbox it today and check it out and see if it maybe saves me some time and give it a little grade, right? So while we're doing that, I'm gonna also show you my favorite milk recipe. So this is gonna be the walnut mint chocolate chip milk. So I'm really excited to show you that and everything that comes with it. So yeah, let's get into it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and like so we can share this and get this out to more people and spread the knowledge about health and wellness. So first things first, we're gonna unbox the Almond Cow. Let's do it. All right, so we got the unboxing done. It comes with this cool little pamphlet. So it tells you how it works, how to clean it. And then on the back, there's a recipe or two, or I think there was a recipe on there, maybe not, but tells you how long you can keep the milk fresh for, how much milk is made, and stuff like that. So this is pretty cool. Comes with a sticker. You got your plug, and then also you have the machine itself. So this is pretty cool, and this is the part I'm most excited about. But what you do is you take your nuts or seeds or all your dry ingredients and put them in there, and then it blends inside that stainless steel container, the mesh container, and then the milk from the nuts and seeds will strain through that into the larger portion, which is also going to be blended up. So then it's like, it kills two birds with one stone. So that's what I'm excited about. And it also comes with this bin. So once you're finished, you can set this part down in there and then you can pour your milk once you're finished. So let's get into making the recipe and see what we get. All right, so first ingredient in the mint chocolate chip recipe is gonna be walnuts. And as you can see here, I have walnuts soaking in water. You'll wanna do this to all your nuts and seeds, and all nuts and seeds require different time variations for the soaking. Walnuts is about 6 to 8 hours. So after you soak them for 6 to 8 hours, you can strain them like this, and that allows for the digestive enzyme inhibitors to be removed, which will allow for better absorption and easier digestion. So we'll get more of those omega-3 fatty acids that walnuts are known to be bountiful in, which help balance hormones. And then there's a whole bunch of other stuff in walnuts that's great for us. Another thing, they call walnuts the brain food. So as you can see here, they look like a brain, and it's pretty cool how nature always tells us what each food is good for. If you really look, it's right there in plain sight. Nature never gets it wrong. So yeah, it's pretty cool. The next ingredient is going to be dates, and you can use any dates. I did Deglet Nor dates for this one. Dates are ideal for energy and brain function as well, so they're a great combination with the walnuts. Dates have been used for thousands of years by athletes and people all over for energy, so they're a great source of energy as well. And then along with the dates, we have cacao powder. Cacao is loaded with flavonoids, and it helps lower blood pressure, allowing for better flow to the brain and heart. So another great food to mix with the walnuts and the dates. This is really a powerful brain drink here, I guess you can say. Next ingredient we have is peppermint extract or peppermint oil. This is gonna give the drink that minty taste that we all want from mint chocolate chip ice cream. That's my favorite part about it. Peppermint oil is great for the digestive system. It helps freshen our breath. And another benefit, which is my favorite, is it removes mucus from the body. So very powerful herb extract here that helps cleanse and detoxify the body. And while we're doing that, we're also putting those nutrients back in to kind of refill where that mucus was with the omegas and all the vitamins and minerals from the walnuts and the cacao and the dates. So great combination to go along with the rest of the ingredients. And last ingredient we have is going to be coconut water. This is my favorite drink on the entire planet. It's really a superior drink to anything else, in my opinion. It's known as nature's Gatorade out there because of all the natural electrolytes. It's loaded with tons of vitamins and minerals. It helps move the lymphatic system. It helps improve blood circulation. It hydrates on a deep cellular level. And it tastes great. So it's going to be a nice sweetener or finishing touch to this mint chocolate chip recipe we have here. All right, so here's the measurements for the mint chocolate chip milk. So first things first, we're going to add our walnuts. So we're going to do 1 cup of walnuts, and all the ingredients are going to go into the stainless mesh basket here. So first things first, we got 1 cup of walnuts, and these are soaked, remember, soaked for 6 or 8 hours. Next, we're gonna do dates. We're gonna add 2 dates to this recipe. So we're gonna take our dates and pop those in there. Next, we're gonna add cacao powder. So we're gonna put 2 tablespoons, heaping tablespoons of cacao powder. So we got heaping tablespoons here. So now we're gonna take our ingredients and we're gonna put the top on them and lock that in. So all of the dries are really what's gonna go in here. All the liquids go into the base. So now that's nice and secured. Then we're gonna add, I'm gonna set this in the bucket actually. And then we can add our coconut water, which is gonna be 1 quart of coconut water. And then we're gonna add 2 drops of peppermint oil, 2 to 3 drops, depending on how much you want the mint taste to come out. So now we're gonna take the top here with our dry ingredients and pop it on the top and seal it in. And once we do that, a green light pops onto the top here. It turns on, so that's pretty cool. And then from my understanding, all you have to do is push the cow and you're good to go. So let's see what happens. So we just finished whipping up the milk. So some comments on the machine. It had 3 settings that it went through. So it ran through 3 cycles of blending. And it was really quick. It was only like a minute long in total. And then the milk came out looking really nice and frothy. One thing that I would say that I didn't like is how much leftover there was in that stainless mesh container. So I took that and I actually restrained that again, but wasn't too big of a deal. So still got a nice looking product. So now we're about to pour it out and test it. So let's get to it. What's up, y'all? So we are back and this is a little different, but I was doing an outro to the video yesterday, and this is the next day. But when my cameraman passed me the camera so I can record the taste test of me and him drinking the mint chocolate chip milk, I hit the wrong button. It was already recording, so I hit the record button again, so we lost all the footage. So that's why I'm doing this random video here. But just wanted to let you know that it turned out great. And my cameraman doesn't even like mint, and he loved it, so that's cool. And also, I wanted to let you know that I hope you guys make this at home. If you don't ever have time though, if you're running late, you can always order that same recipe, that same milk from juliansjuicebox.com. That's one of the flavors I make along with 5 others. So you can always get your juices there. I'll put the link in the description down below. I also wanted to let you know about the 3-day spring cleanse that we're doing. 21 juices. We're gonna cleanse, refresh, restore for the spring coming in, the new season. We do this every season as a group. I go live in a Facebook group and we talk about how we're feeling during the cleanse, so it's pretty cool. Would love to have you join. Also, I'm gonna put the link down in the description for the Almond Cow. If you liked my review and you thought you may be able to use that machine, I'm gonna put the link for that down below. They take payments as well, so that's pretty cool. I think it's about $150. You could do 3 payments of $50 over like 2 months or something like that. So that's pretty cool too. So shout out to them. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're here now still, please give this video a like. Share any comments, thoughts that you had about the video. If you like this format, I'm gonna try and do more of these. So yeah, subscribe, like, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.